Merry Christmas!
The holiday season is upon us again, and I have a special deal just for you. I have a book called The 12 Days of Christmas that shares 12 different paper crafting projects to create boxes and packaging for your Christmas needs. Get your copy of The 12 Days of Christmas at jennycards.ca. You'll find it linked in the description box down below. There is an absolutely amazing sale on this book. This book is only available for digital download for the month of December. So if you're interested in checking that out, make sure you grab it while it's available. You will also find on my YouTube channel and linked in the description box down below a playlist of tutorials on how to create each of the projects in the 12 Days of Christmas. Thanks for stopping by. Have a lovely day, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.